We'll go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth there. Watch out at the bottom, and then let's have a look. We'll just put music on there. Connect Bluetooth. Bluetooth, searching, it's looking for a phone. To add a device, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on the new device. So, there you go. It's looked for a new vehicle. I'll click that. Pairing request. Is it the same number? Unlikely not to be unless you're in a dealership, but allow contact and favourite to sync. Connect to CarPlay. Connect. That's it. This one has got the CarPlay update. It's over the air update. That should be it. CarPlay, it's there. That back onto, actually we'll put it back onto Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is just the best thing ever. You've got a voice activation button there. You can do things like this. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Hi, this is Barry. Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment.
So that rung my phone, and of course it can't answer me because I'm using it to call myself. So make a call. You want to send a text. Okay, in 2 seconds on this button. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just in this Leapmotor B10, and as much as it pains me to admit it, it's a really nice car.
It says, I'm just in this Leapmotor B10, and as much as it pays me to admit it, it's a really nice car. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now you'll see there already a text has come up. You can't touch your phone even though it's there, and you can touch all this lot. That's fine, but you can't touch your phone, which is closer. So you want to listen to your text. You can't touch anything really. So again, voice activation, read text.
Barry said I'm just in this Leapmotor B10, and as much as it pays me to admit it, it's a really nice car. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
So the Apple CarPlay is fantastic.